Hello everyone, in today's video we will solve Bandit level 4. So first connect using SSH information. Open your Linux terminal. First of all you need password for Bandit level 4 which you will find in Bandit level 3. I have that password. So first copy that password. This is the password. Now log in using SSH in the Bandit level 4. Here paste the password. Okay, so what we have to do, the password for the next level is stored in the only human readable file in the in-here directory. So first change the directory, cd in here. Okay, so what are the files here? There is 10 file. Okay, so file dot slash start. What this command do? File command lists all the file and the information it has, like data or ASCII text. And dot slash, what that dot slash do? Dot slash will search for dot slash start. What we will do? It will search for all the files in that directory. So there we can see file 7 has only ASCII text. Okay, so it could be the password. So cat dot slash that file 07. Okay, so you can see this is the password. So copy this and exit. Now save this password for next level. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.